Thank you for your interest in the CyView series of software. The following presentation demonstrates the proper use of the CyView administration utility. The administration utility is used to generate your own saved screens to be used either by the CyView Finder tool shown below or by the CyView API. Ensure that the target database connection information is available. The screenshot at the right shows the administration interface with the Save Screens tab selected. All existing saved screens will appear at the screens list on the left. To generate a new screen, simply click the New button at the bottom. The New Screen dialog will appear. Here we have chosen Administration Demo. Simply enter the screen name of your choice. Click the OK button to continue. Next, the Add Connection dialog will appear. Select the server type. Presently, CyView supports SQL Server and Oracle Server. Enter the server address, either IP address or host name of the database server. Server port should you choose to override the default. Database name, database login, and database password. Once all information is entered and verified correct, click the Connect button. Upon connecting, all tables within the database will be populated in the Tables drop-down list. Here we have selected the demo table. Once you've selected the desired table or view, all fields contained within will be displayed in the fields list. Here, person ID, last name, middle name, first name, and so on. In order to search on the fields, they must be entered in the Search Fields list. Select one or more fields from the fields list and click the right arrow button next to the Search Fields box. Here we have made searchable last name, middle name, first name, address, zip, and date of birth. Should a field be selected to be searchable that is not desired, simply click that field name on the list and select the left arrow button next to the Search Fields list and it will be removed. Each field may be treated in one of three ways. By default is standard, and that enables the full CyView processing. Should you choose to treat a field as unstructured text, select the comment type. That will be processed within exact processing only. Should you choose to treat a field as a code field, such as a zip code or a state code, select the code type. That will be processed as exact processing. Next, the fields that will be returned from the query must be selected. Select one or more fields from the fields list, click the right arrow next to the Display Fields box, and they will be populated. Here we have selected first name, middle name, last name, address, and zip to be display fields. Next, the fields that will be detail fields that will be shown upon clicking a record in the display list must be selected. Enter one or more fields from the fields list and click the right arrow on the detail fields box and they will be populated. In this example, we have chosen date of birth, occupation, and employer. Lastly, a query or a save screen role must be selected. In this case, we have chosen query user. CyView does support the optional use of security, and in the event that is enabled, the role for the screen will be examined against the user role to verify that the user is authorized to use this screen. Once all this information is entered, click the Save button. Once clicked, a progress dialog will appear as the CyView tool does an analysis on the database. Once this analysis is complete, the dialog box will be removed and your save screen is now complete. In summary, the system administration utility is used to generate saved screens. Define the connection parameters to the database. Each screen is limited to one table or view. However, there is no limit to the number of screens that may be generated by the administration tool. The tool you define query fields, display fields, and detail fields. Each field that is being queried against must be indexed to ensure timely query performance. This concludes the administration demo. Thank you for your interest.